Hi guys, I normally do these wooden clip together kits when I'm on holiday, but I actually forgot to take them with me when we went on holiday this year, and I'm building up quite a stockpile of them, so I'm going to do one tonight. In fact, there's two here. The one on top has been opened at some time and taken out of plastic packaging, and the one below is still in its original packaging. So I'm only going to do one of them. Oh, that's not good. That's going to open the packaging. Oh, rude words. Let's cut it open instead. I certainly didn't intend to open the second package. As you can see, they're identical. That one cost me £1 in a charity shop and was still in the original packaging, except I've made a mess of it. Actually, I'm looking at that. I don't think that is the original packaging. I think somebody's put cling film on it, which is why it came apart. Well, never mind. As far as I know, it's a complete package. It just didn't have the plastic on it. Let's see if we can get this off without ruining it. This is just masking tape, so it should come off. Yeah. So we'll put that one to one side and we'll just look at this one. Now sometimes people ask me, you're doing that too fast, because I usually fast forward these videos. And I'm saying, well, it's not a how-to video. It's just a time-lapse video of me assembling one of these kits. If you want the instructions, there they are. All you do is you go through here and find the numbers and you link the numbers together. So you find part number 1, wherever that might be. I'm having a look and I can't see part number 1. There we are, 1 and 2. And you find another number 1 somewhere, and number 1 and number 1 go together. Might take me a few minutes to find that, to be honest. We've got 1, 2, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, 5A, 5B, and so on. Oh, there's number 1. So you need to keep these pieces together and only take them out as you need them. I've seen other people take them all out, sand them neatly, and then try and assemble them from there. Well, fair play. If that's the way they want to do it, they can do it that way. But the way I do it is one at a time. Find the piece and find where it should go. So this sheet here is that sheet there. This sheet is that sheet. This sheet is that sheet. And this sheet is that sheet. In fact, what I do sometimes is I go through and I write all the numbers on, so that when you take them out, if you drop them and lose them, you know where they should go. So if we position this one the same way, I will now fast forward the video because we're 4 minutes in and I've done nothing yet. All done. Well, obviously I haven't painted it, that would be the other thing to do, wouldn't it? A nice bit of detail in it. Got these opening hatches. Move this up and down. That does move a little bit, I'm not sure if it's supposed to. I'm not entirely sure which way round that hatch at the bottom was supposed to open. Putting the tracks on was a bit repetitive. It's okay. Kept me occupied on a rainy evening. And I've got another one there to do if I feel inclined. Job done.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.